truth is that the vast majority of civil lawsuits are settled before they go to trial. A settlement essentially is when both sides agree to a financial compensation for an injury without having the need to actually go to trial, without having to have the case heard and decided by a jury. Settlement essentially takes away the risks associated with going to trial. Every person knows what they're going to get and agrees upon it. The defendants generally in a settlement don't acknowledge liability, but the plaintiffs are compensated for their injuries. Like I said, today the vast majority of cases are settled. Now, just because cases are settled doesn't mean that you don't need to have the very best attorney representing you in a personal injury case. The quality of the attorney has a direct correlation with the quality and the amount of the settlement that you have. As attorneys, if you come to us, our job is to do a number of things. Number one, we will fully work up and investigate your case as if we were going to try it. That is the only way to bring out the full value of the case. We will review all the records. We will investigate the case. We will bring in experts and consultants. Once we've done that, we are in a much better position to evaluate your case. Once we've done that, we're able to advise you, to tell you what we believe at this time the case value is, what we believe your chances are winning at trial, and whether or not we think, based on our experience and knowledge, this case should be settled. If you decide that you want to enter into settlement negotiations, it's also our job to handle those negotiations for you. What our job is not to actually make the decision of whether or not to settle the case and what amount to settle the case for. That's the client's decision. Our job is just to make sure that the client has the best and most knowledge and information going into that process, and that's the way that we ensure that our clients get the best results.